Predictive Analytics, stock market. How to use data to beat the market. Most people think that the stock market is all about luck, guessing when prices will rise or fall, following hype, or copying what others are doing. But what if I told you there's a smarter, more strategic way to invest? One that uses real data, not emotions, to predict market trends before they happen. That's exactly what predictive analytics does. It's one of the most powerful tools in modern investing, and it's completely changing how smart investors make decisions. Predictive analytics uses artificial intelligence, statistics, and big data to find patterns in the market that humans often miss. It doesn't rely on gut feelings, it relies on evidence. And the best part is, you don't need to be a Wall Street pro to start using it. You just need to understand how it works and how to apply it strategically. Predictive analytics is all about using data to forecast what's most likely to happen next. Think about it like this. Every stock, every company, every economic event leaves a trail of information. Over time, those data points start forming patterns that can tell a story. AI algorithms are trained to read those stories, find connections, and predict potential future outcomes. For example, predictive models can analyze things like earnings reports, price movements, news, sentiment, and even social media trends to identify which stocks have the highest probability of growth. While no system can guarantee perfect results, using data-driven insights gives you a massive advantage over emotional investors who buy based on fear or hype. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by market volatility or struggled to make consistent investment decisions, predictive analytics can help bring clarity. It takes the guesswork out of investing. Instead of wondering whether a stock will go up or down, you're relying on probabilities and patterns that have been tested over time. It's like using a GPS for the stock market. You still have to drive, but now you have a clear map showing the best route ahead. And here is that's truly amazing. Everyday investors now have access to tools that only hedge funds used to have. Platforms like Trade Ideas, Trends, and AlphaSense use predictive analytics to help users spot opportunities faster than ever before. But here's something important to remember. Predictive analytics isn't magic. It's a tool, and how you use it determines your success. You still need to understand the fundamentals of good investing: diversification, risk management, and long-term thinking. Predictive data can show you where opportunities might exist, but it's up to you to make smart, disciplined decisions. It's easy to get caught up chasing short-term gains, but that's not how wealth is built. The real power comes from using predictive insights to strengthen your long-term strategy. For instance, if your data suggests a specific industry is likely to grow based on macroeconomic trends, you can position yourself early before the crowd catches on. And let's be honest, the financial world is becoming more data-driven every single year. Big players like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs are already using predictive analytics to optimize their portfolios. They're analyzing billions of data points daily to make informed choices. The good news is, you can take the same principles and apply them to your personal investing. Start small. Maybe track how certain data patterns align with stock movements over time. See how earnings surprises, sentiment scores, or volatility indexes correlate with future price changes. You will start noticing that markets aren't random at all. They move in patterns that data can help you decode. Now, why does this matter for you? Because data is the new gold in finance. The investors who understand how to use it are the ones who will stay ahead. It is no longer about having insider tips or expensive consultants. It is about understanding how to use the data that is already available to everyone. Predictive analytics levels the playing field. It helps the average investor think like a professional and make decisions based on probability, not emotion. And when you combine predictive analytics with AI-driven investing tools, you get something even more powerful: automated insights that continuously learn, adapt, and improve as the market evolves. So if you're new to this, here's how you can start. Step 1. Learn the basics of financial data. Understand what metrics matter. Things like PE ratios, earnings growth, volume, and volatility. Step 2. Start using free or affordable tools that visualize patterns for you. You don't have to build models from scratch. There are AI tools that do the heavy lifting. Step 3. Test your predictions. Track how accurate the data-driven insights are compared to traditional investing advice. Over time, you'll sharpen your understanding and confidence in using analytics to guide your decisions. But remember, even with predictive analytics, there's always risk. No AI or algorithm can predict the future perfectly. The key is not to seek perfection. It's to improve your odds. Predictive analytics helps you make slightly better decisions, consistently, over time. And that consistency compounds, making better decisions. Just 10% more often than the average investor can completely change your financial trajectory over the years. That's the real power of using data to invest smarter. The future of investing belongs to those who combine human intuition with artificial intelligence. Machines can process data faster, but humans still bring context, creativity, and judgment. When you merge both, you get the best of both worlds. A data-backed strategy that still aligns with your goals and values. And if you're watching this video, that means you're already ahead of most people because you're rethinking about how to grow smarter, not just faster. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve, start exploring predictive analytics today. Learn how to interpret patterns, use AI-powered tools, and think long-term. Don't wait until everyone else catches on. By then, the biggest opportunities will already be gone. And if you found this video helpful, take a second to hit the like button so more people can find it. Comment below what you think about AI-driven investing. Do you trust data more than human intuition? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, because every week we break down powerful, easy to understand lessons that help you master personal finance, investing, and building wealth with modern tools like AI and data analytics. The future of money is intelligent. Those who adapt will thrive. Those who ignore it will be left behind. You don't have to be a genius to use predictive analytics. You just have to be curious, consistent, and willing to learn. Start today and take control of your financial future. One data-driven decision at a time.